Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today for you guys, I have my November pickups. I know this video is delayed and it's coming out in December, but I wanted to just get everything organized and just overall show you guys what I decided to pick up in the month of November. This month, I definitely bought quite a few pairs of shoes. Some I got lucky for retail, some I bought off StockX and off eBay. Without further ado, let's just get right into the shoes. I guess we'll go from least hype to most hype. I'd definitely stay to the end if I was you. I got some heaters that are coming up later in the video. But to start it off, we'll just go with these. A pair of Blazer Mid 77 Vintage in the white and bone colorway. Just a simple Nike Blazer that I'm probably gonna beat up this winter. A great overall shoe to wear with basically everything, and it's a very cheap price point. These range from anywhere from 50 to 100 at the moment in just basic colors, so I definitely recommend picking up a pair. The next pair I picked up, I got these off of eBay. A pair of Nike Air Force 1 Low Philadelphia Skylines. These came out in 2006, so they are pretty old. I ended up getting these for only $30, which was an absolute steal in my opinion. Air Force 1 Lows are my favorite Nike shoes, and for these, they're such good quality, they're premium, so, and just they have that like just monotone color with a little bit of, I believe it's red and blue. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. I believe it's red and blue, but I added some white laces in there because they didn't come with the original ones, but very happy I got these. Staying with Air Force 1s, I picked these up as well. A pair of Pendleton Air Force 1 Low Nike IDs. I did do a full review on this shoe, so if you do want to know a little bit more about it and get a more depth view of it, I definitely recommend it. I believe I posted it a couple weeks back, so definitely go take a look at that. So now we're in the last four pairs I picked up. These are definitely my four favorites that I've picked up most recently, honestly. So I guess to start it off, we'll go with a pair that probably none of you have seen. The Isle Skateboard Company collaboration with Nike. It's a plain Nike SB Blazer, literally just all black, nubuck and suede on the upper with a patch on the side and Isle on the back heel. Like I said, a very plain shoe. You won't see a lot of people wearing these or knowing a lot about them. I did do a video on these as well, so I definitely recommend going and checking it out. If you want a very cheap collaboration shoe, these run anywhere from 120 to I think around 200 on apps right now, so definitely reasonable at the moment. Next pair is a pair of Nike basketball shoes, one of my favorite shoes ever to come out for a Kyrie, and it's the Best of Kyrie S2 Hybrids. As you can see, it's just a crazy all over print shoe. The other shoe is completely different, which I love most. Brings back that old Nike basketball what does that they always used to do. I actually have a pair of what the LeBron 11s right there. Again, I did do a video on these, so I definitely recommend watching it so you can get a full look at both shoes and every little detail that Nike put into this shoe, because it is definitely one of the best Nike basketball shoes of 2020, hands down. Now we're into the last two pairs. One of these pairs I was lucky and got for retail. The other I did have to pay resell, but I didn't pay too much. So I'll go with my second favorite, I guess, and it's the Mocha 1 OG Highs. These are still brand new. I haven't been able to get my size swap yet. I'm trying to get a 13 or 14 in these. I have an 11 at the moment. This definitely is not a shoe I'm gonna keep nice and pristine. These are gonna turn into my shadow ones that I wear almost all the time with everything. But luckily I got these for retail off of Nike, so you cannot beat it. So I'm just gonna hold on to them, see what happens, and hopefully I can get my size eventually. Now we have the last pair of the pickups I got in November. These are definitely my favorite shoe I've picked up all of 2020, hands down. And let's just get into them. The Nike Dunk High Michigans. Because of the historical significance, the colorway, the overall model of the shoe, it's my favorite shoe I picked up this year. It is a Dunk High, so I know I definitely fell into the hype. I've always known about SBs. I've never really been into them. I'm more of a Nike basketball kind of person, so when it came to SBs, I could tell you a lot about them. I just never bought them. But when they came out with these and they called them Michigans, I just automatically thought of basketball because these were a basketball shoe originally, and I just needed a pair. I swapped them with some yellow, and the other one is the navy blue. But yeah, I haven't been able to wear these yet. I'm waiting for the right time. The weather just hasn't been good, and I don't really want to beat them up yet. Eventually they'll be beaters, but for now, definitely gonna keep them in the best condition possible. So I believe that's everything I picked up in November. I might have forgot a pair or two, but for the most part, this is kind of what was important that I picked up. For me, I'm very happy with all the purchases. I got everything from daily beaters to shoes I'm not probably gonna wear for a long time. But in my opinion, I think I did pretty good in November with my pickups. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, what your favorite pair was, what you enjoyed most, and what pair you guys would get if you had the opportunity for retail. I know for me, it'd definitely be the Dunk Highs. If I could have got those for retail, I would have been super happy, but I was unlucky on every single drop they did of them on Nike. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I picked up recently, so you guys might get an idea of kind of what I like, what I don't like. Thank you for joining and watching the video. It means a lot that you're here and supporting me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, of course, if you want. That's really all I have for you guys today, so I hope you have a great rest of your day. Hope to see you in the next video. Peace.